The journey begins even before the waterfall appears. About 14 kilometers from Kalasa, the road slowly fades, and the adventure takes over. Our 4x4 pushes through mud, stones, and narrow forest paths, every bump, every turn reminding us that some places are meant to be earned. When the road finally ends, we continue on foot, walking through the jungle, with only rustling leaves and bird calls for company. Soormane is not a developed tourist location and has no commercial facilities, which keeps the place quiet and untouched. Each step feels closer to something untouched, something hidden. And then, the sound of water. Soormane reveals itself quietly, not roaring, not demanding attention, just flowing with calm confidence. Water slips over dark rocks, cool, clear, and endlessly patient, as if time moves differently here. Surrounded by thick green forest, the world feels lighter, slower, more peaceful. Soormane isn't about height or drama. It's about the journey, the silence, and the reward waiting at the end. People usually spend time here swimming in calm sections, resting by the shore, and simply sitting with the sound of flowing water. Standing by the stream, letting the cold water wash over tired feet, everything else fades away. Sound fades, worries fade, and only calm remains below the surface. The water here is unbelievably clear. You can see every stone below. The surroundings remain peaceful, with very few visitors, especially on weekdays. And as the water continues its gentle flow, we carry this moment with us, a reminder that the best places are often found off the road. Soormane is less about the size of the waterfall and more about the journey, the effort, and the calm waiting at the end. Post-monsoon is the best time to visit, when the water flow is steady and the forest is at its greenest. Thanks for joining this adventure to Soormane. More hidden gems from the Western Ghats are coming soon.